Let's make sprinkles ice cream. It is a creamy vanilla ice cream base that is loaded with rainbow sprinkles that give it a nice crunch. First, we are going to take our sweetened condensed milk, pure vanilla extract, and kosher salt. We're going to put them in a bowl, and we're going to whisk them until they are fully combined and smooth. Next, we are going to whip our heavy cream until soft peaks form. Once soft peaks form, we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk mixture and mix it again until soft peaks form again. Add in our rainbow sprinkles and stir them in using a spatula as to not crush them using a whisk. Once that is all mixed up, we are going to transfer it into a 9x5 loaf pan, smooth it out with the back of a spoon, and add more sprinkles on the top. Freeze for 6 hours and enjoy!